my God, what is it? Is it a ghost? Help! What is it? Help! Save me! What kind of fiend is that? Huh? Help! Oh my God, look at its glaring eyes! Eek! Ah, it's pouncing! It's coming after me! Oh no! What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Here it comes! Help! 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 Oh. Hey! Excuse me, tablecloth creature! Tablecloth creature! Yoo-hoo! Tablecloth creature!